To prevent sanitary sewer overflows and residential backups, municipalities constantly clean grease from sewer lines. They use jetter equipment, which blasts high-pressure water to dislodge and flush away grease deposits. Too often, these cleanings are short-lived. The dislodged grease reattaches downstream, and upstream grease sources soon foul the newly cleaned pipe. Fortunately, Helix Laboratories offers a potent new way to make jetting more effective and less frequent. JetBugs is a non-hazardous microbial degreaser that's added to jetting water. JetBugs chemically melts grease, then biologically digests it with microbes, yielding harmless effluent that won't clog downstream assets or your vacuum truck. These eco-friendly microbes then colonize sewer pipe walls, creating a persistent biofilm that helps prevent future grease accumulation. To ensure complete coverage, JetBugs' unique foaming action targets every surface of the pipe. The easy-to-use JetBugs dispenser mounts to any truck or trailer jetter, treating water on demand so you never waste solution where it's not needed. This dispenser draws product directly from a JetBugs pail or from a secondary tank, so you never have to climb on your truck to mix product. Best of all, JetBugs doesn't change your cleaning workflow. It simply makes cleaning faster, more effective, and longer lasting. So if you're responsible for keeping sewers flowing, supercharge your jetting operations with powerful, eco-friendly JetBugs.